All right, you're going to click sign up. Sign up with Google. You're going to press not now. We're going to click this one, Creative Ambitions. We're going to press the blue button on the top right that says Start Editing. It's loading. And we are going to create a website name. And we're going to click right before the W on the Weebly.com, and okay, we're going to do our first initial and last name. So this is Mr. Tiny, so I'm going to do T for Trent and Tiny for my last name. Okay, I'm going to do my first initial of my first name and my last name, and you're going to do the same. The first initial of your first name followed by your last name. So my first initial is T for Trent, and last name is Tiny, T-Y-N-I. And I'm going to press the search button. And you're going to ignore the first part, and you're going to go down to the bottom here and press choose, the one that says, for me, ttiny@weebly.com. We're going to press done. And we all have a website. So I'm going to press the blue X button up here. And we're going to start to change the home screen here. And the home screen has this picture with this text. So the first thing I'm going to do is click the box that has the text, and we're going to highlight it by clicking and dragging, and we're going to type our research question. Sorry, our research topic. So we're going to create an example for ancient Egypt, but you guys are going to create a topic for ancient China. So for our topic that we created as the 6th grade teachers, we came up with a topic about ancient Egyptian pyramids. So I'm going to type that, and then I'm going to click outside of the box, and then I need to figure out how to change this picture in the background. So I'm going to click below, and there's a button that says Edit Background. So we're going to click that, and we're going to just press the Edit button. So we're going to press the Change Image button. And you could create a background using one of these examples, or you could go to Upload Image here, and you could do a search for an image. I'm going to type in pyramid and see what comes up. And it's important to go to the free photos. And that has a couple pyramids. I probably should have typed in ancient Egypt. Here's one that looks like a pyramid. Here's a pyramid. I'm going to press the select button. And we have a background image. I'm going to press save. And you guys could probably tell that the text is kind of hard to read with that background. Oh, actually, looks pretty good. And now we have our home page. We then want to go up to the top here and the button that says About Us. I'm going to click that. And we are going to delete this button that says Our Story, and we're going to create a a focus question about our research topic. So our focus question for ancient Egyptian pyramids is, how were the pyramids built? That's our focus question. And we'll click outside of it. And down below here, you are going to, you can simply highlight this and delete this and start typing your paragraph. You've already been shown this website, so you see what the paragraphs look like below, but I would just start typing my paragraphs here. Okay, and that's my first focus question, and so then I'm going to click on the next one and type my second focus question, which was, why were the pyramids built? And we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to type my 1 to 3 paragraphs here below. You can even add some images about what you're writing in your paragraphs. I'm going to click outside of this. And now I need to change what these actual buttons say at the top. So I don't want this to say About Us. I actually want this to say something else. So I'm going to go to the Pages button at the top. See the Pages? Click Pages. And this blue button on the side, I can click that. And you see the About Us. I'm going to highlight that and delete it. And I'm going to type in my focus question. How were the pyramids built? And click outside of that anywhere, and it should save it. See how it's changed here at the top? Now it says, how were the pyramids built? And now we're going to do the same thing for the other button at the top. Sorry, we're going to, again, make sure that we're under the Pages button at the top, and we're going to click the back button right here. And instead of work, I want to click that and make it say our second focus question, which was, why were the pyramids built? Click outside of it, and you see how the button changed at the top. And the last thing we're going to change, instead of home, we're going to go back again. Click Pages one more time. Sorry. Let's click the Home button. And then you see that the Pages button is still open on the side, so I'm going to click this, change it from Home to Research Topic. That's what I'm going to type, Research Topic, and click outside. And it changed it to Research Topic. So there's other fun things we're going to learn how to do, but that's the basic stuff to get you started. Good luck.